Today I will show you how to enable or fix your microphone in OBS Studio. Okay, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Okay, now go now to OBS Studio. Now we are now recording with this microphone. Okay, did you listen? It's now working and everything. It's okay. Just now go to settings and you will be go to audio. Okay, now we have now enable our microphone. It's here. Okay, just you go now to desktop audio and click and put default, and this is disable, and go now to this or what you one from this audio 1 2 3 4. Just click from from this, just go and click. Not you will be find it like default or disable. No, just go to use your microphone like headphone, like a camera, like a cask, what you have. Okay, just click and put your microphone, not put default or disable. Okay guys, just you put your microphone. Okay, after this put the others like disable, because you are use only one microphone. If you want to use two microphone, you can use two microphone. Did you listen me guys? After this just go now to it to apply and okay, and finally with the make here it's now good and working and everything it's okay. Just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.